How to move the taskbar to the top, left, right on your Windows. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can move the taskbar to the top or left or right on your Windows 10. So if you're wondering on how we can do that in this video, we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just get started and move our taskbar to the left, right, or the bottom, or either to the top as well. So for that, head over to your taskbar. After that is done, you can right click on your taskbar and head over to the taskbar settings right over the last section. And then it will open up your settings here. So what you're going to do is head over to the taskbar settings here, scroll down and look for this taskbar location on screen option here. So when you click on this drop down option under this taskbar location on screen, you will be finding different options like top, left, right, bottom. So if you select left, it will be moved to the left side of the screen. So if you want it on the other side, let's say top, when you select top, it will be moved to the top of your screen. You can find it right here. Again, if you want to move it to the right, select right and it will be moved to right side of the screen. If you want it at the bottom, select bottom and there you go. So that is how you select the position of the taskbar by following up this method and set it up. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.